Welcome to your Billing and Coding Weekly Solutions by American Acupuncture Council Network, AAC. Are you keeping up with the 2022 additions and deletions to ICD-10 codes effective October 1st, 2021? The 2022 ICD code for low back pain, M54.59, has been deleted with the addition of 3 codes to replace it. Today we will focus on the new low back pain ICD code, M54.59 Other Low Back Pain. M54.59 Other Low Back Pain is used for lower back pain that can be attributed to a specific reason, but there is not an applicable code available that describes or defines it. Ultimately, best practice for an acupuncture provider when coding low back pain is to use M54.50 or M54.59. Remember, billing with incorrect acupuncture CPT and ICD codes can lead to claim rejections and delays in payments, which can have a devastating impact on generating revenue and keeping you in business. If you are experiencing insurance claim denial, staff spending too much time trying to get claims paid, and patients asking why their claims have not been paid, then American Acupuncture Council Network is your solution. American Acupuncture Council Network stays ahead of the curve on the latest trends and changes in billing and coding by utilizing their direct channel of communication with the insurance companies and organizations that set the guidelines. There is a reason acupuncturists have trusted AAC with their business for over 30 years.